Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Patrick. Today I'm going to show you how you can auto boost your Shopee products. Okay, so Shopee allows every seller to boost their product, 5 products every 4 hours. This is known features of Shopee. So if you do it manually, it's going to be tiring. Every 4 hours you need to come back and log into Shopee and then boost 5 products. It's going to very tiring. Okay, and you can't do it while you sleep. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you a website. Okay, a website that can do the job for you automatically, non-stop. Okay, all right. So make sure you watch until the end of the video, because there are steps you have to go through to make the auto boost work. Okay, all right. Okay, this site is Big Seller. We call it bigseller.com. You visit here, and if you have not signed up any account yet, you have to sign up an account over here. Okay, give in the email address and then verification code. You have to check your email, and what's your phone and password, and sign up. You have to sign up an account. Then you have to log in. Let's log in my account. This is my account. Okay, first of all, you need to do an integration. Okay, you have to integrate. You have to tell Big Seller which is your Shopee shop. Okay, this is Shopee, right? So I have already 2 shops over here, so you can enter multiple shop, even overseas Shopee shop. Sorry, all right. Not only Malaysian or local shop is allowed, but all of Shopee shops. Okay, so let's add it. Okay, this is my another shop, Shopee shop. Okay, connect. Okay, this is my email. Okay, log in again. Okay, what's my email? Okay, this is my email. This is my password, I think so. Oh no. Let me see whether it's saved. Yes, it's already saved. Okay. Alright, so this is my account. I have to confirm the authorization. Just click confirm. Okay, integration done. But you have not assigned any product yet. Okay, so this site allows you to assign up to 30 products. So right now it's 0. See, product quantity 0. So you can assign up to 30 products. So action, you just edit it. Okay, and then you click add product. So immediately your product will come in to your screen. Okay, so I have only 9 lah. You can add up to 30 products. So you just select what product you want to add in. Or if you have more, sorry, maximum 30 only. Okay, because Shopee allow 5 products to be boosted every 4 hours. So 24 divided by 4, only 6. Okay, 6 batches of Shopee products can be boosted. So every batch is 5 products, so it's 30 products. So one day, 24 hours, you can boost only 30 products. Okay, maximum. Okay, you click confirm. Okay, we'll add it over here. Alright, so this is the first batch to boost, and waiting second batch. Okay, this boost, and then wait 4 hours, then it will boost this batch. If you have more, then you're coming, waiting. Alright, so just save it. Okay, so we'll come back here. So you can see you have 9 products. Okay, 9 products. So right now it's already completed. You have already successfully boosted your products. Let us see whether Shopee really boost it or not, or big seller really boost it or not. Okay, this is my Shopee account. Oh, sorry. You should go to seller. Okay, I should go to seller. So let's see whether it's really boosted or not. Okay. Okay, now we have already inside the seller control panel. You come here. Oh, okay, you see this is all my products. So it has not boosted yet. See, this product is not boosted yet. Let's find whether I have any boosted products or not. This is all deleted. Oh, not yet. Let me see my products. Maybe this one. No. 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 So the cycle has not been activated yet lah. Oh, I would say maybe I go to another account. I show you how is it boosting. This is my another Shopee account. Okay, so let's see whether there are any products being boosted. Oops. Well, I can't show you. If this is boosted, then it will give you the remaining time. Okay, it count down from 4 hours. I think it's not here yet lah. Right? Okay, never mind. It's actually working. I've already tested it before, and it's really working, and it's boosting my product every 4 hours. So in batches of 5. So if you like it, you can give it a try. It's a totally free service. Okay, no charge at all. Alright. Okay, today's sharing is until here. So if you like my video, please hit the like button, share my video, and subscribe to my channel. Remember to turn on all notifications. Alright, good. See you again. Thank you.